What's going on, guys? Got a 05 Sportsman 800 we're working on today. Wasn't getting it to crank. Here's what I did, and here's what the problem was. So on my ignition switch here, wasn't getting power to this wire right here, the white with the red tracer, which goes to your starter solenoid. In case you need to troubleshoot these, need to know what does what. First one is a full-time ground. Second one's the black wire, which goes to the ECU, which will become accessory power when you turn the key on. The yellow wire is full-time power. These next two wires both go to your kill switch. They'll be ignition power. Next wire, the red with the white tracer, is going to be ignition power as well. It goes down here. If anybody needs to trace the wires, it's this one right here, I believe. And all three of these are connected to one bus bar. Then of course this last one here, the white with the red tracer, goes down to your starter solenoid. So the issue I had with this one, number one, the kill switch was bad. But once I got the good kill switch on it, it still wasn't working. Did a little check-in, and this red with the white tracer, which goes down to that bus bar, was burnt. I've scraped this one off a little bit, but it was straight black. Wasn't getting a good connection. So once I figured that out, got it in there, just cranked right up. As you can see, I got power now. So we're good to go. Just got to put the gas tank back on, obviously, and then of course put everything back together. Anywho, hope this helps. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment.